Welcome to Tripp's Guide to Suitcase Security. All of our suitcases come with either a padlock and keys or are equipped with an integrated TSA lock. A TSA lock is a type of lock which is approved by the Transportation Security Administration and are designed to allow TSA agents to open your luggage for inspection without damaging the lock or your suitcase. This feature ensures that your belongings are secure yet accessible for any necessary security checks. In this video, we'll take you through how to secure your suitcase properly, plus how to set and reset your TSA lock. First of all, let's look at padlocks. To lock your Tripp luggage with a padlock, first you will need to open the padlock with one of the provided keys. Once open, you can remove the keys before you loop the ring of the padlock through the loops on both zip pulls. This will secure the compartment you want to keep safe. Finally, close the padlock and listen out for a click. You can make sure that your padlock is closed properly by giving it a gentle tug. Keeping your keys safe is key to ensuring you don't accidentally get locked out of your own suitcase. Don't worry, all of our padlock and key suitcases come with 2 keys, so make sure to keep them in 2 separate, safe places just in case. Next, let's look at how the TSA lock works. Setting and resetting your TSA lock is simple. Your Tripp suitcase will come with a preset lock combination, which is usually 000. To personalize it, open the lock, press the reset button, this can be done with a pen, and then set your desired combination. Then push the open button down to set the lock. To open your suitcase, simply input the code that you set for your TSA lock and press the open button. When you're ready to lock it again, push the zip pulls into the locking mechanism and randomize your code by scrambling the dials. Ready to open it again? Just repeat this step to keep your belongings safe. Depending on which Tripp suitcase you have, your TSA lock may look a little different to this one in the demonstration, but they all work in the same way. You simply need to locate your reset button and follow all the steps. We also have a handy lock guide to all of our locks on our website.